Hey, Phil Aitken here. Let's talk about the market stats for the month of May. So we're going to talk about the local stats, the national stats, the inventory of homes that are available, what are the home sales, and the interest rates, as well as how inflation is impacting our local economy and our national economy. So let's take a look. We'll dive right in here. So if you take a look at the NEFAR local stats, these are the local market stats for April 2025. The median sales price is $345,000. It's down 1.5% from what it was last month. Last year, same month, but last year. But the closed sales are down 11%. If we contrast that to what it was just 4 years ago, so 345 and 2,400 sales. Just 3 or 4 years ago, it was 284. So the prices are up 18%, and the sales are down 34%. So why interest rates? Interest rates are really having a massive impact on our local home sales and the national home sales. Let's take a look at inventory. So our inventory is 12,000 homes. There are 1,900 homes. So that means 1 out of 6 homes are actually selling right now. It's a challenging market for home sellers. The pending sales are down 31% from 1 year ago. If we go back just 4 years, back into 2021, the pending sales were 3,500 versus the pending sales are 1,900 now. That's a difference of about 50%. Almost 50% less sales today than there was 4 years ago. The inventory was 1,900 versus 12,000, and the inventory is 3,500 versus 4,500. So 3 out of 4 houses 4 years ago were selling. 3 out of 4 were selling. So basically, you put a sign in the yard, and within 5 minutes, your house had multiple offers on it. Let's take a look at the the Jacksonville listing count. In 2022, the inventory got down to around 1,700, but we were selling 3,000 houses, 3,500 houses per month. So you do the math, that wasn't working very well. That's why there were so many multiple offers. And the interest rates were in the neighborhood of 2.6%. Today, we're looking at our Jacksonville inventory being about 9,600. There's a little bit of discrepancy between the local stats and the Fred national stats, simply because one of them counts 4 counties, one of them counts 6 counties in Northeast Florida. And then we take a look at the existing home sales. The existing home sales, if you go, is right around 4 million. If you go back to find where was it 4 million, it was in 1997. So we have a 30-year, the lowest sales in the last 30 years that are compared to what it was 30 years ago. So inventory is extremely high, and the sales are at a 30-year low. Let's take a look at mortgage rates. Why is this? Well, mortgage rates have gone from, call it, 2.6%, 2.8%, to they're hovering around 30-year fixed rate mortgages hovering around 7% right now. And this is what the mortgage rates look like over time. And if we look at a 7% interest rate, we have to go back into 1995. So again, another 30. The home sales are at a 30-year low. Interest rates are at a 30-year high. You see the correlation there. Why is that? Well, because inflation. So inflation got as high as in June of 22, got as high as 9%. It's come down, but it's been stubbornly high. You can see that it went down in September of last year, got down as low as 2.4, went back up. It's come back down a little bit. We got to get inflation under 2%. With all of the tariffs and all the things that are going on, it's making prices spike in certain areas. Yes, gas prices are coming down, food prices are coming down, but some of the tariffs are causing some of the prices to go up. So inflation is going to be stubbornly high for the next little while, and that will have a major impact on the bonds, which have a major impact on our mortgage rates. In any case, I hope that you've enjoyed this month's real estate update. It is the news. It's good news, bad news. It is the news. And if you're looking to sell, there's still in the neighborhood of 2,000 houses per month that are being sold. And if you're a buyer, it's a great time to buy, simply because you have a lot of choices. So 1 out of 6 houses is selling right now, so you can have the pick of the litter and get a really good deal. In any case, hope you enjoy this month in the month in real estate, and we'll see you next time.